In this video, I want to show you how to create DocuSign account for free. The DocuSign is primarily used for securely sending, signing and managing agreements and other documents online. It streamlines the process of obtaining signatures, eliminating the need for paper-based processes. So in this video, I want to show you how to create free account. Just open your browser and open a new tab. Then search for DocuSign and press enter. So when it opens, this is it, DocuSign.com. Click on this link to take you to the home page of the platform. So here is the interface of the platform, and analyze agreement with AI, sign document electronically and automate workflow with intelligent agreement management platform. So if you already have an account, you can just log in, but in this case we want to create a free account, so click on try for free. So click on it. Then here you will be requested to enter your email. So enter your email and check the agreement and click on get started. I am from Nigeria, so this is my region. Then click on get started. Then here you will be requested to enter your name and your phone number. So let me enter my name. Then here I will enter my phone number. After entering your name and phone number, click on next. This will take you to the next step. In the next step, a temporary confirmation code will be sent to your email. So let's check my email for that very temporary confirmation code. Let me open my email. Yes, this is the code. So I can just highlight the code, right click and copy the code. Then let's go back to the page. Then just right click and paste the code here. After entering the code, click on next. This will open this page. To enhance the security of your documents, DocuSign need to verify that it is really you. Please enter your phone number to confirm your identity by SMS. So here I'll just select my country phone code. Let me search for my code. Here is it, Nigeria. Then here, enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on send code. Click on send code. So a code will be sent to your phone number. Let me enter the code sent to me. Then click on verify. Then here you need to set your password, and the password must be at least 6 characters long and must not contain the characters such as less than, greater than, and so on. So click on next after creating your password, and here we are. My account has been created, and you can see my dashboard here. So you can explore the interface of this platform. So in the subsequent video, I'll show you how to use this platform for electronically signing your documents or sending documents. You can see I have 30 days left, but essentially this is how to create DocuSign accounts. And here you can get started to sign or get signature. So this is how to create free accounts with this platform. Thank you for watching.